Gitanjali is a brand that has been around since about 46 years, close to half a century.
This new campaign is about Gitanjali Group and the all-encompassing value that the group stands for, that is trust.
It's something that has that provides you certificates and everything to assure you that what you're buying is a quality product.
And we have used SRK to communicate the value of trust for Gitanjali Group.
I'm glad that you think I'm trustworthy. Trust is it's a matter of longevity, and longevity is a matter of working towards something with the cleanest heart that you have. We are all not above board or honest about things. We do make compromises as we go along. But, largely thinking, or in majority of our decisions, if we can keep it honest and straightforward and work really hard towards it, I think trust is something that follows.
Shah Rukh by himself is a brand. He comes across as a guy who is loving, caring, who respects women, a family man. Purely because of the personality and the films that he's done. It's a brand which women trust because he has built this trust and this image in women's mind over a period of years.
I think it's the most important thing from how a child trusts his mother, how a father trusts his son, how parents love their children and trust them. In a business, I think trust comes along when you are again and again producing quality products, and especially something like jewelry, which Indians love. And jewelry is not just a matter of adorning oneself in India. Jewelry is a matter of collecting for not only your daughter, your daughter's daughter, and your children, and it's a big thing to buy a piece of jewelry in India. It's not just for the design; it's for the value that it brings to a family. It's also used as an investment. So you need to have a company like Gitanjali, and who puts it forward in everybody's mind that look, we are trustworthy, not just by the designs or the variety that we offer, or the precision and goodness that we offer in our goods, but we also offer you something that can be invested in, that can be kept close to your heart, close to your family, and for the future of their well-being. So I think, Gitanjali has been doing that for years now.
We've all grown up seeing Shah Rukh Khan. We all loved him. There is a lot of trust associated with the brand SRK.
Once he's on the set, he never goes back to his van. There's nothing starry, airy, or unapproachable about him.
I am a little shy, branding jewelry, because I myself am a little odd wearing jewelry. But now that I am, it's really nice to be seeing all the wonderful designs and the quality, especially, and the trust that Gitanjali's garnered over years for their products. And even if I don't wear lots of them, because it would look a little silly if I wore a necklace and roamed around, I think I really appreciate what they've been able to achieve over the years.
There was a shot where I had to tell him to sit on the ground. At first I thought that would it be inappropriate or would I have to explain why, and I just told him and he understood, and he did it. And action.
Angad ke pav.
Correct, very nice, sir. Please. One more. And there was no questions, there's no egos involved, which is great.
And I'm very, very thrilled that Mehul Bhai thought that I'm good enough to be part of his group and, be the brand ambassador or advertise for Gitanjali.